What if I could personally mentor you to generate at least $30,000 with an AI-powered e-com store in 90 days or less? And what if you could pay 90% of my fee after you're profitable? I'll be transparent with you. This is a video designed to convince you to book a call so that we can sell you something, because you want to grow an online business to help fuel your freedom. Time freedom, location freedom, financial freedom, and you probably want to build a 6, maybe 7-figure business to prove all these naysayers wrong. Now the problem is that you're probably seeing dozens of ads and videos like these with business gurus promising all sorts of crazy results. It's difficult to discern who's legit and who's a fake guru, and there's so many online business models, and I'm sure you must be asking which one is the best right now. Peter, I've heard all of these things before, you might be saying. So what's your offer and why should I listen to you? Hey, my name is Peter Szabo. I stumbled into business at 11 years old, founded the #1 largest meta ads agency in Europe, and a decade and a half later, I've helped my clients make over $100 million online. I've had the chance to be in some different media, Forbes, HuffPost Inc., meet some really cool, interesting people at a charitable event I invested in, spoke on stages around the world. And if you really want to start an AI-powered e-com store, what we're going to do is help you scale it to $30,000 in sales at least within the first 90 days, guaranteed. And we're the only company that gives you an option to pay 90% of our mentorship fee after you're profitable. So you might be asking, how does it work? As any coaching program, you always have the option to pay up front via debit or credit card. It's probably nothing new. However, we're testing something new called pay-as-you-profit financing. Here's how this works. So if you qualify, you can finance our program as low as $170 a month. And then depending on your credit score, you might be eligible for $0 down for the first 30 days. You get full access to our program starting day 1. Plus, we give you 2,500 in ChatGPT credits amongst other perks. As you prove to yourself that this program works, then you can use your profits to pay off your tuition. So let me get this straight. If you can manage 3 small payments of $170 a month or so, you can test drive the entire program, get results with it first, and then you pay us from your profits. If it didn't work, we simply refund you those 3 payments, and you still get to keep the 2,500 in ChatGPT credits for free. I guarantee there's no other company out there that lets you pay 90% after you're successful. But then again, most companies do not have 300 plus agency like these one-on-one clients with $100 million to show for. Now, if that sounds interesting, apply below. And in case you want to see some more proof, I'm glad that you asked. This is a screenshot of thousands of different businesses that have applied to work with us, some of the client intake questionnaires, 300 plus brands that we've worked with. This is an example client that have stayed with us for over multiple years, 1,000 ad accounts that we've overseen. Here's just some video testimonials of different clients and agency clients we've worked with. Here's Carved. John came to us at around 15K a month. Now they're a 7-figure brand. Ascension Brands, now they're a 7-figure brand. Canvas Vows was around 10K. Now they're at 7. Rustic Furniture Outlet, they were just starting at around 3K a month. Now a 7-figure brand. Advanced Mixology, now a 7-figure brand. Lantern, again, started at a couple $1,000 a month. Now at 7 figures. Carlettos, they were doing okay at 12, 15K, but now Candace is doing 7 figures. A-Guard selling these watches now at 7 figures. Legal Limit Bait Box at 7 figures. Spook, they were doing okay at 50K a month, and now they're doing multi-7 figures. Save the Girls, I think they now even crossed 8 figures. So there's plenty of client results to show for. Here's another video ad I made showing how I spent $165K on this ad account at a 2.5x cash return. Here's a case study how we did $250K in the first 60 days doing this essentially e-com funnel, and it goes on and on. Really what sets us apart is altogether I've been in business for over 15 years. I mean, sure, I started at 11, but it's been a decade and a half. 100 million client results across socials. We got a little over 100K follows, and we have over 10,000 customers altogether. So we also sold like lower ticket products and courses and stuff like that. And we have 300 high paying clients, just to clarify. Then if you were to Google us, Trustpilot is very highly rated at 4.8 over 7 in reviews. We have 100 customer, kind of like a video mashup of a bunch of different people saying good stuff about different programs. And it's over 24 minutes long. And there's no accident. Each year I designed a new version of myself. I literally create like a book and I wrote down who am I becoming becoming? Who do I want to be? What kind of results I want to accomplish? And so this was all carefully designed and accomplished. Built $2 million businesses on the left. That's my agency. So it got to 7 figures back in 2017. So it's been a while. This is not my first rodeo. I've been at this for a minute. And really the goal, the outcome with this company is the following. I believe there's a lot of people suffering due to a broken, unfair financial system. Not to mention the broken education system. It does not set up people up for success. And then our vision is to help people take back control of their financial destiny by really empowering the individual with the right mentorship tools and community to help them build profitable AI-powered e-com stores. Some of our values is student symbiosis. So we believe that if you win as a student, we win as a company. You're going to send us referrals, we're going to grow. Internal integrity, doing the right thing even if nobody's looking, and then superior standards, going above and beyond and demanding excellence from oneself and others. Now, these clients that I showed you, they were people just like you. We've helped males, females, young, old, US-based, overseas, complete beginners to seasoned. Chances are we've helped a person like yourself. And it doesn't matter where you're at, because we have a proven system that we know without a shadow of doubt that can get you where you want to go. So if you want to get the results my clients got, you need to replicate what they did. And it all started by booking a free call below. Look, best case scenario, you end up building a 6-7 figure AI-powered e-com store that will provide you with the time, location, and financial freedom for the rest of your life, including for your loved ones. Worst case, maybe you lose and waste a little bit of time, but you're still going to walk away with a few different ideas of how to implement AI in your e-com business that can be extremely valuable. And we're still going to show you how you can redeem 2,500 in ChatGPT credits for free. So that alone is easily worth it. That's it. If you're interested, apply below. This is Peter Szabo, and I look forward to potentially seeing you on the inside of our program.